All right, today's a fun one because I just became a member of the Mustang Club of Tampa. We're about to put the sticker to make us official, and we're heading to the car show, baby. We got our sticker, we are official, so I'm gonna put it on the car, and then we're gonna showcase everybody else's car, so come along. Come on, we're gonna go have fun at the car show. It's a day to get the family out. We go to a lot of car shows, but this is gonna be the first one as a member of the club. I'm super excited. Actually, let me get inside here. Because now that we joined the club, we can make all new friends. It'll be a really great time for us, and also a place for us to show the car. So here we go. I'll peel it off so you guys can see it. Mustang Club of Tampa. We're excited to be members, and so we're just gonna put this here, nice and clean and simple, and we're off to the show. All right, we are here at the car show with the family. That's Tally and my wife Noemi. I call her Naya. You'll get to know the family on the vlog, but we're here at the show. It's almost wrapping up at 3 o'clock. We're at Tampa Joe's in Tampa, Florida. So we're gonna show you a little bit of what there is to see. Here we go. Wow, we just got here, and one of the first things we see is this beauty. Look at this. And it's parked right next to this beautiful classic Mustang 289 V8 candy apple red. It's gorgeous. Here's one that's very similar to mine. I'll find out in a second if it is, but look at this beauty.
5496723.
2000 Jack Roush edition is beautiful, just like mine, except a Roush and it's convertible.
I knew you were going to win eventually. Look at that stack of tickets.
It's beautiful. Look at that, Tally.
Does she have any tickets? Does she want to check the ticket? Yeah. She is a winner. Daisy is a winner in our hearts.
All right, so here we're pulling up on a beautiful
Anybody?
teal green 1967. My wife loves this color. Babe, tell them why it's your favorite color.
Teal's always been my color. I don't know. It just grasped me.
It's a beautiful 1967. All right, here's another 99. Just like the one that we have, except it's convertible. So as you can see, this one's got the intake. Very nice. Just like ours. Larry 2.5, what's up? Shout out to Larry 2.5.
All right, we've got a 5496775.
The Gt500, guys. One of the nicest cars I've seen so far today. Look at this beauty. Look at the carbon fiber wheels. Carbon fiber wheels.
We're gonna light up the sign.
Alright, here we have a beautiful Mustang. It's gorgeous. Look at this. It's got the white writing on the text. I want to do this on mine, but hopefully it'll say Project 99. But look at this. Look at this interior. It's beautiful. Look at this, guys.
Once again, it's 999.
And one thing that we like is got the doors. Look at this beauty. This is gorgeous. Look underneath, Tally. They painted it. Look. Real quick, I gotta take the mask down. So this is my very first, it's the annual Mustang Club of Tampa Roundup. You see the cars behind me. A brand new member, I just joined. You guys saw me put the sticker on. Just want to show you guys some of the amazing cars right here in Tampa. But now that I'm part of the club, I'll be able to take advantage of other stuff, go to other events. Got my wife dancing to the music. Look at this beautiful thing. Look at this, guys. It's beautiful, man. Look at this Ford. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. 1951 F100 parked right next to An amazing car. Look at this.
Can't help myself. Nobody else.
Look at the rims on this 5.0, man. Here you go. Look, this is some serious. You know you're serious when you've got a toy car on your engine that matches your car. 20.
My husband will tell you.
He knows the stuff.
Yeah, we've got 3 Mustangs.
Oh, we're on a second. We're on our second one.
Everybody that I open it up, they go, how did you stuff that in there? And that it's done right.
It's all the way back to the damn firewall. That looks very
Yeah, well, you know, no.
Okay, what is it?
Well, first off, it's overhead cam in Windsor, so it's a good question. It's either a 4.6 or a 5.4.
Okay.
Off the top, it looks like
I
a
wanna
4.6.
know.
It looks like a 4.6,
Yeah,
but
that's what I'm saying.
but it is a Windsor.
But you see, it could be a 5.4.
It could be a 5.4.
Which is,
That's the one that
It's still overhead valve. See, a Windsor 351 is a cam inside the block.
Okay.
These cams are up here.
okay.
You know what? It says right on it. Look down there.
What?
Look right there. It says right on it.
Excuse me, guys.
What's it say?
5 point. 4.6 liter.
Yep.
It's a Windsor.
It is a
Right
Windsor.
here, look.
It
Yeah,
is.
but it's a 4.6.
It says Ford Windsor. Oh, 4.6? It says Ford Windsor on there.
Does it say that?
Well, yeah, they could be made in
4.6.
Windsor, but it's still, it's not a 351 Windsor.
Right.
It's a 4.6, which is the 281.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay, this taken out to the biggest
Yeah.
aspirated that you can get.
The injectors have been changed.
The girls don't know it just looks damn good. That's what we're, at the end of the day, it's amazing. So tell me about it, Paula. We'll put it on the channel. We'll promote it. It looks awesome. Tell me about your car, Paula. It's gorgeous.
I'm trying to judge it.
We're not going to judge it. This is just for the channel. It's a beautiful car. 2008.
Yeah. It has the Pirelli tires on it, but they took them off.
The elusive they. No, but it looks great. Paint's in great condition. So this is a great example of a stock 2008. I love your interior. I love when they switch to this interior style.
I just did that myself. I got the Mazda guy.
Oh, that looks great.
I put Ford Mazda.
Sure, that looks great. How'd you do that?
I found them. I found them in. Where did I get those? I don't know if I found them. I found something. Oh.
Really? It's beautiful. This thing is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Gorgeous, man. Look at the body on this thing. Look at the wheels on this thing, now. How look so great. No. Features. All features. Look at the Cobra engine on this thing, guys. It's a clean Cobra. Looks like a 2001 SVT Cobra. It's got the SVT wheels. Just a nice, clean Cobra. This interior. So see, he has the white gauges now.
We got a red ticket. 549.
Wild Stallions.
932.
Here's another one very similar to our car. Beautiful. It's Celine. Wild Stallion Car Club is a 2003 Celine Speedster. This thing is beautiful. Let's look at the interior. It's got the nice stitched on the seats. Wow, look at the interior of this Celine, babe. See the white? See the white? So this is something we like for our Project 99 car, right, babe? Right here, this is white. We like the white gauges. Look at that, guys. I like how he added it to the center. Beautiful vehicle. Just beautiful. 281.
999-307.
Now look at this car.
Oh, it's good. All right.
Look at this interior. Look at this interior. Shout out to Carbon Snake 10. This car is beautiful. It's a Shelby. It's a carbon fiber interior. It's got beautiful wheels. Brembo brakes. The Brembo brakes. Gorgeous Shelby engine. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. Just a beautiful, beautiful Shelby. Look at that. Alright, so I'm here. We see some beautiful cars. But listen, man, no matter how new your car is, you can't touch this Gt500. Look at this beautiful car. This is the original Gt500 Shelby, man.
Thank you, guys.
What a beautiful car. Look at this, guys. Original design. Gorgeous interior. Look at this interior. To me, one of the most beautiful Mustangs ever made. Look at this. Look at this thing. Look at this. Gil's Performance is restoring this car. Got no engine, but they still brought it. Awesome. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. Alright, guys, I gotta get a shot of this. It's like the Oak. This beautiful car. Look at this beautiful car. Look at the wheels. They're sick. It's got the Willwood brakes. Look at that, guys. Really unique rim. Gorgeous car. Look at this, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. The interior. Custom interior. Just beautiful, guys. Look at this. I just love how clean they are. Look at this. Those wheels just pop. Look at that. Look at that. It's okay. One day our car will be here. We're baby stepping it, right? We're just brand new. I mean, we just got our stock, guys. But look at this Gt500 KR. Look at that, guys. Blast from the past. Where? Oh, hold on. Wifey's saying we gotta go over here. Let's follow what Wifey says. Where are you taking me, babe?
To this antique.
Woo! Let's look at it. Oh wow! What do you like about it for the channel?
I love the old classics.
She loves the classics. The 289.
More detail.
What year is it? 65?
1966, before my time.
Before all of our time. But look how beautiful this baby is. Look at this guy.
Again, it is Potter, and you have Orange GT.
How cool the original. Look at the detail. Look at the detail. Look at this, baby. You saw the flag? Oh, an original 5.0. Look, stock original. Not. Look at the pipes on the tail. This is an original Mustang 5.0. Look at this beauty. Look at the pipes. It's gorgeous. 1986 Ford Mustang. Guys, look at this amazing original untouched interior. Look at that, guys. This is what I'm talking about. You don't have to always customize your car. Sometimes, guys, you just leave it alone. Look at this thing. All original, no custom wheels. It's just great, just the way it came, guys. Just the way it came. There's no need to customize it, man. Look at this. You don't see this kind of interior anymore. It's gone. Look at the seats. It's got the orange, the sort of deep red or orange piping on the gray. Let's take a quick look at the engine here. Looks like it's in. It's just so great to see these cars literally unmolested, untouched. Straight from NYC. So guys, look how it was done back in the 60s. Look at this amazing interior. You know, Ford Mustang lovers, they love their cars. And you can tell, but just look at the lines. Look at the shapes, guys. Look, this is what makes a Mustang special. Look at the shape. Look at the shape. Just the way they did the body lines. Look at the amazing. You know, you've seen these taillights. They have these taillights to this day. If you look at R99, it still has this original shape. So look at this. Oh, she just found my birth year car. 1973, which is the best year of all time. Here we go, guys. Mustang from the 73.
Before my time.
Yeah, that's right. Old men love this car. Tally, you like this car? 73. Here we go. I can't show you what my daughter's doing because she's gonna get grounded. Here we go. You guys can see in 73 they did a little more curves. You can compare right here, look. 60s has a very straight edge. And look.
Curve.
Yep, in the 70s you've got a little bit more curvature. Look at the difference in the interior. I showed you the 60s interior. They made the gauges way deeper. And look at the shifter. It's like a T shifter down there, if you can see it, guys. Now let me go straight across.
I like the 1966
now,
interior.
she likes the interior of this one a little bit better. Look at that. But it's hugely different. Look at the space in the car, guys. Nayo's selling the car. And show the back of the 70s car, baby. So much smaller. More like our car. A lot smaller space. But still, guys, a Mustang is so unique. Look at the body. Look at the mirrors. Look at the mirrors, guys. You don't see this today. Let's come around the front. Look at that. Look at that beautiful 302 right there. Pull out here. You can see the front. Just gorgeous cars, guys. It's beautiful.
I want this for Christmas.
I look like rich. This is probably one of the nicest cars here. Look at the interior, babe. Red and white. Look at it. Look at this, guys. Gorgeous. You like the past. You like the old music. They got that retro music playing, guys. That's the great thing about coming to these events. They have DJs playing music from back in the day. You get to see the old cars right next to the new cars. Just look at these classics behind me, guys. It's amazing. If you guys can ever make it to these events, make sure you do. It's great family time, right, beautiful girl? Just amazing cars. We're wrapping it up. It's getting a little bit cloudy, but I just want to say thanks for coming out with us to the Mustang Club of Tampa Annual Roundup. Hope to do a lot of more fun events with these guys, but in the meantime, we got to get back to Project 99 because we got a car to build up. Alright, as you can see, guys, we've got my Mustang and another Mustang behind me, but we are here to eat some yummy, probably the best Puerto Rican food in all of Tampa. Welcome to Pacampo. This place has some of the best Puerto Rican food. Last time I came here, I got an entire fried fish. Not sure if I'm gonna eat that much now because I got another date tonight to have some pizza with my boys, but I'm gonna see if I can show you guys a little bit of Pacampo, their food. So I know it's a car channel, but you know what? Why not celebrate some of the yummy food that's here in Tampa, right next to the car show. See you guys in a bit. We are at Pacampo and look at this. This is how you eat after a car show, people. This is a snapper, fried in its entirety. See what wifey got. Ooh, what is that, babe?
Chicken and totones.
Chicken totones. And there's my niece with the Batman shirt. That's why she's still alive. Tally, what'd you have?
I have some chicken and fries
Fries with hot
and
dogs.
yogurt.
And then Titi, what'd you get? The yumminess.
Rice and beans.
There you go. So there you have it, guys. Enjoyed showing you the show. You're in between me and my red snapper, so can't have it. Cheese.